from Grass Ranch Garage, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the front end loader off your Mahindra tractor. More specifically, a 1526 Mahindra tractor with a 1526L loader. First, you're going to want to park your Mahindra tractor on level ground with the loader in the air. Then you're going to want to locate your support arm here in the side of the loader. You're going to want to remove this clip and then slide the arm out. Next, you're going to want to locate the clip and pin where the support arm is reinstalled on the loader here, and remove the clip and then the pin. Now install your support arm. Place your pin through until it comes to the opposite side. Then install your clip. One drawback to this design, and it's pretty much unavoidable, is you have to position yourself underneath the loader to place the support arm in. This is dangerous in the event of a catastrophic failure of the hydraulic system. So try to do it while positioning your body with an easy path of escape in case something does go wrong. They typically don't go wrong all of a sudden. There's usually some creaks or groans. If you hear something like that, move immediately. Now lower your loader onto the support leg. Remove your clips and pins from both sides, located here. Tilt the bucket downward. Lower the loader all the way until the connections on the brackets on the side of the tractor rotate forward. Then curl your bucket upward. And installation is the exact opposite of removal. I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage. Get out there and enjoy your weekend.